With today's advances in biological sciences, we can greatly enhance the way your body heals following treatment. Our office utilizes platelet-rich plasma, or PRP, to stimulate healing. PRP is created from the platelets in the patient's own blood, which will be taken at the beginning of the procedure. This technique allows us to provide 3 to 5 times the amount of growth factors, which accelerates the healing process.
Oral and facial surgeons are specialists in bone grafting and guided tissue regeneration. Socket preservation may be used following a tooth extraction to minimize bone loss and to prepare the site for a dental implant. A ridge augmentation graft can be used in the jaw to augment the bone available to support a dental implant. A sinus lift procedure enhances the bone depth available to support a dental implant in the upper jaw near the sinuses.
During your consultation, we will assess your oral condition, restoration goals, and determine which bone grafting option will provide you with optimal results.